श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेशरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदाकृति वेदान्तलक्ष्मणमुनीन्द्रकृपात्तबोधं तत्पादयुग्मसरसीरुगभृङ्गराजं त्रय्यन्तयुग्मकृतभूरिपरिश्रमं तं श्रीरङ्गलक्ष्मणमुनिं चरणं प्रपद्ये. श्रीमते रङ्गरामानुजमहादेशिकाय नमः. श्रीमते निगमान्तमहादेशिकाय नमः. श्रीमते रामानुजाय नमः. श्रीमते गोदायै नमः. Tirupavai, the 30 songs sung by Andal in the Anukaram of Gopikastri to attain Lord, is being celebrated in this Margazhi month. Today is the 21st day of Margazhi month. Already Andal followed all the protocols and she woke up Bhagavatas and Acharyas like Vail Kapan and Koil Kapane and Nityasuris like Nandagopalan, Yashoda, Balarama, Nappinai, and she is waking up Krishna now. Today's Pasuram, ஏற்ற கலங்கள் எதிர்பொங்கி மீதளிப்ப மாற்றாதே பால் சொரியும் வள்ளல் பெரும் பசுக்கள் ஆற்றப்படைத்தான் மகனே அறிவுராய் ஊற்றமுடையாய் பெரியாய் உலகினில் தோற்றமாய் நின்ற சுடரே துயிலேழாய் மாற்றார் உனக்கு வலி தொலைந்துன் வாசற்கண் ஆற்றாது வந்து உன் அடிப்பணியுமா போலே போற்றியாம் வந்தோம் புகழ்ந்தேலோரெம்பாவாய். In yesterday's 20th Pasuram, 33, Andal praises Krishna and Nappinai, and Andal requested Nappinai to give Ukkam, Tattoli and Krishna himself. Nappinai and Krishna became very happy with the praising of Andal. Now Nappinai joined with Andal. She is not merely to give permission to Andal to wake up Krishna, but she also joined with Andal because in this world there may be difference in level of bhakti, vairagyam among the Bhagavatas. But in Vaikuntham, there won't be any difference in the pleasures we enjoy. Everybody will be having the same Rupam like Bhagavan, Gunam like Bhagavan. That is Saloka, Samipa, Sayujya, Sarupya. All Muktatma will be enjoying in praising the God only. So like that, when Andal wants to praise Krishna, Nappinai also joins with Andal and she is giving her Swarupam, Nappinai's Swarupam to Andal also. So till 20th Pasuram, Nappinai was with Krishna, but now onwards she also joined with Andal. Andal wakes up Krishna by praising like ஏற்ற கலங்கள் எதிர்பொங்கி மீதளிப்ப மாற்றாதே பால் சொரியும் வள்ளல் பெரும் பசுக்கள். Andal says about the wealth of Nandagopalan. Nandagopalan possesses lot of cattle. Each of the cow is capable of giving so much milk that how many even vessels you keep in front of them, it will be filled and overflowed. These cows gives milk continuously and fills any number of vessels kept for the milking. They are vallal, benevolent and generous. It is our mistake only if we don't keep the sufficient vessels to get the milk. Cows will give milk as long it has power to give. It does not see the requirement of the recipient. Here, the way charity is to be done is shown, how the cows are giving milk. Charity not to be done based on the requirement of the receiver only, but it is to be done as per the position and wealth what we have and what we can give. As per Manu Dharma also, 1/6 of our income is to be utilized for the charity. Because these cows are with Krishna, the quality of helping nature, the charity came to these cows also. In the Kurukshetra war also, When Arjuna was in the confused mood, he asked for advice from Krishna. But Krishna told whatever he knew to Arjuna. He preached Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Avatara Rahasyam, Purushottama Vidya, how he is superior to everyone in this world. He gave Bhagavad Gita to all of us through Arjuna. This is the nature of a Acharyan. Acharya is also like this Vallal who will give his all knowledge to the disciples. But like vessels is to be kept to get the milk, we should plead for the mukti with Bhagavan. Vedanta Desikar tells, Raksha Preksha Pratikshate. If we call out to Bhagavan, he is ready to give all his blessings to us. And all is telling, வள்ளல் பெரும் பசுக்கள் ஆற்றப் படைத்தான் மகனே அறிவுராய். Here she is not telling the name of Nandagopalan, but she is telling the person who is having cows like this and is having capacity to handle these cows. The son, such a great person, please wake up. Here we can get a doubt that everybody in that higher party is having cows like this. So, whom she is referring? But next three words Andal is using, ஊற்றமுடையாய் பெரியாய் உலகினில் தோற்றமாய் நின்ற சுடரே. The one who is having the arjavam, intention to save his devotees. He is steadfast to resolve and save all his devotees. When Draupadi pleaded Krishna for a saree, Govinda Pundarikacha Rakshamam Sharanagatam. Krishna not only gave the saree, but when they were in forest, Krishna helped them. Krishna helped the Pandavas to establish Rajyam in Indraprastha, helped them during the war and became charioteer for Arjuna. He saved Pandavas from the fire in the Arakkamaligai. Then he made the sunset by using his Chakrayutham to bring out Jayadratha. He saved Parikshit from Apandavastram. He made Yudhishthira to lie that Aswathama is dead to kill Drona, and he made Shikandi to stand in front to kill Bhishma. So many things he did for only one call. That's why he is called as Periyai. Utramudayai, the intention to save, and Periyai, though he do that one, he did not think that he has done that one. உலகினில் தோற்றமாய் நின்ற சுடரே, the one who is glowing in this world. Because in Vaikunta, the glory of the Bhagavan will not shine because all the Nityasuris will be doing their routine karma. In the Bhulokam, his glory is increased and seen and praised by Alvar, Acharyas and Bhagavatas. With these three references, Andal clearly states that it is son of Nandagopalan only who is ஊற்றமுடையாய் பெரியாய் தோற்றமாய் நின்ற சுடர், and refers Krishna only, not any other in that Ayarpadi. Andal describes the greatness of Nandagopalan in so many verses of this Tirupavai. In the first Pasuram, Kurvel Kodundoilan Nandagopan Koran, a brave person. In 16th Pasuram, Nayaganai Nindra Nandagopan, leader of cowherd clan. In 17th Pasuram, Aram Seyyum Emberman Nandagopala. He is very benevolent and to do lot of charity. In 18th Pasuram, Mundu Vadagalitan Vodada Tolvaliyan. He is very strong like a elephant. In this Pasuram, the wealth of the Nandagopalan is explained. So Andal is calling Krishna as Utramudayai Periyai Ulaginil Totramai Nindra Sudare Tuilezhai. மாற்றார் உனக்கு வழி தொலைந்து உன் வாசற்கண். Just as your enemies lose to you in the battle and losing all their strength and surrenders to you and come to your house and stand at your doorsteps and without any refuge they fall at your feet. Desikar tells, எத்திசையும் உழன்றோடி இளைத்து விழும் காகம் போல். In Ramayana also, Kakasuran, it went to all the lokas and it did not get refuge at any place, and at last it surrendered to Rama only to save him from the Brahmastra sent by the Rama. Andal says, like that enemies, we also came and surrendered at your feet. But மாற்றார் உனக்கு வழி தொலைந்து means it is enemies. But Andal is not enemy na. Bhagavan is having two means to win over the enemies or Bhagavatas. With bow and arrow and other weapons, he will win over the enemies. And with his beauty and Kalyana Gunam and great attributes, he will win the Bhagavatas. So Andal says, we the Bhagavatas, we were lost to your beauty and Kalyana Gunam. ஆற்றாது வந்து அடிபணியுமா போலே போற்றியாம் வந்தோம் புகழ்ந்து. We came here to sing பல்லாண்டு மங்களாசாசனம் to you, to bless Bhagavan, to live for ever and ever without any hardship. Like her father Periyalvar, Andal also singing பல்லாண்டு to Bhagavan. So போற்றி புகழ்ந்து, to praise your Kalyana Gunam and chant your namas. We don't have any other motives. Please wake up and listen to what we actually require. We want your Kainkaryam only. That is the parai we are asking. And how he has to give, how he has to come, everything she is asking in the next Pasuram. So in this Pasuram, Andal is describing the nature of an Acharya, how he gives his knowledge to the disciples. Divya Desams referred for this Pasuram. There are two Divya Desams that are appropriate to experience through this Pasuram. The key word, Periyai. Tirumangayalvar, while doing Mangalasasanam to the Bhagavan at Tirukkannamangai, in his Periya Tirumozhi, 7 10 Tirumozhi, states that Perum Purak Kadalai. And in the Palasuthi also, he is telling, Vinnil Vinnavarai Magil Vaiduvar, stating the lofty status that his devotees will reach. மாற்றார் உனக்கு வழி தொலைந்து. Sri Krishna, who destroyed the enemies, did so with the sound of his conch, Panchajanyam. பாரார் நடுங்க முன் பாஞ்சஜன்யத்தை வாய் வைத்த போரேரே. This we can experience for the praise ஊற்றமுடையாய். Tirumangay Alvar also says, வெண்சங்கம் ஒன்றேந்திய கண்ணா. Krishna did this one to save his devotees only. We can experience the phrase ஆற்றப்படைத்தான் மகனே with the Divadesam Tirunarayanapura, Melkotai. Here Etirajar Swami Ramanuja is the ஆற்றப்படைத்தான் because he was having great scholars as his disciples like the cows in front of him. பெரும் பசுக்கள் ஆற்றப்படைத்தான். And the Lord of Tirunarayanapuram is his son, Magan. So, ஆற்றப்படைத்தான் Magan. Ramanujar is the ஆற்றப்படைத்தான் and his son, Selva Pillai. And the phrase உலகினில் தோற்றமாய் நின்ற சுடரே is appropriate for Tirunarayanapuram as well. It was here that the Lord was hidden in an anthil, Karayan Putru, and then came forth showing himself to the world as a தோற்றமாய் நின்ற சுடர். Thus both the Divadesam, Tirukkannamangai and Tirunarayanapuram are experienced in this Pasuram. Tirukkannamangai is one of the Pancha Krishnaranya Kshetram. Here all devas are came in the form of beasts to witness the wedding of the Bhagavan and Tayar. Tirukkannamangai has all the 7 necessities of a Kshetram. So it is called as Sapta Amurtha Kshetram. Tirumangayalvar hymned his last 10 pasurams in Tirukkannamangai. Sri Abhishekavalli Sameta Sri Bhaktavatsala Perumale Namaha. In tomorrow's pasuram, we will see how Andal is asking Krishna to see செங்கன் சிரிச்சிறிதே மேல் விழியாவோ. ஸ்ரீமதே ராமானுஜாய நமக, ஸ்ரீமதே கோதாயை நமக.